Hi, it's Rodney here from Wholesale Automatics, and today I want to talk to the VW Amarok people. We actually have a couple of new kits available for you guys. It's been a long time coming. We've actually had a lot of products for the tradie in general, mostly the Ford, Toyotas, Mazda BT50s, Isuzu, the whole lot. And a lot of people have been asking us for a long time whether we could actually make a cooler for the Amarok. Now, this is quite specifically because the Amarok, believe it or not, does not have low range in the transfer case for the automatics. So if you're towing or working them, if you're in the sand and that, if you do a lot of touring, especially if you're putting the bigger tyres on, bull bars and everything, they do warm up quite a lot. Now, here in front of us, we actually have the products that we now have available for the VW Amarok, and it's all models of the Amarok. So it doesn't matter whether it's a V6 4-cylinder or what the kilowatt outage is, it all is the same, right? Now, specifically, I actually have the new Amarok Cooler kit. It's a big one-piece mount, as you can see, a beautifully made cooler. It's all Australian made, the whole thing. The mount's Australian made, the extra large oil cooler's Australian made. They do come in a kit form, and as part of the kit, you actually get all the cooler hose, you get all the fittings, to go along with it. The hose clamps, all the bits and pieces, every nut and bolt that you need to actually do this kit. To do it yourself is a very easy kit. Comes with fitting instructions, which is, I believe, is about 17 pages. They are step by step, right? So it's very easy to read. So if you're handy with the tools, these kits are very easy to fit. Now, along with the Amarok Cooler, we also have a thermo bypass, which is actually part of this kit. So this isn't just a cooler kit for the Amarok, it also has a thermal bypass. With most Volkswagens, and the Amarok's no exception, they actually have a thermo bypass valve which doesn't turn the cooler on at all until you get to about 90 degrees Celsius. That's great if you live in Europe and you're in the colder climates, but when you're in Australia, and you're going to tow, you're going to tour, you're going to put the off-road tyres on and everything like that, you really need the cooler to be starting off as soon as you start the car. This is very much the case that happens in most other makes and models, that the cooler runs all the time. So along with this kit, you actually get the thermo bypass valve that allows the coolers, your original cooler and also the new cooler that we're giving you, to work together and work all the time. The most important thing when we actually put a cooler in, we're not trying to delete your original cooler, we actually complement it with an auxiliary cooler, right? And that's what this kit is. Now, they're, like I said before, they're fantastic made. They're actually made all from mild steel, right? They're E-coated, which means they're 60% more resilient than galvanized steel. We don't use stainless steel. Everybody knows you cannot use stainless steel with an aluminium cooler and then get it in a car and then get rainwater or just following the car in front of you, getting water swept up in front of it. It just tends to start electrolysis and actually starts to corrode the aluminium cooler. So we don't use stainless steel mounts for that reason. We also only use one-piece mounts, all right? The one-piece mounts, which means when we mount this all on, there is no load on the cooler whatsoever. All right, so it doesn't matter how much corrugated roads or big bumps or off-roading going over the boulders and that, there is just no load on the cooler as well, all right? So gone are the days of using multiple straps or making up little points of cooler mounts that just pull and tug on the cooler core, which can actually cause them to crack. So we don't use them anymore. So all Australian made. The whole mount is all Australian made. I'll put that aside. All the cooler unions, the bypass, even the little bracket that turns around and actually clips on to go in where the other lines come off and everything. And we're quite lucky that the Amarok, it has steel lines, but it also has rubber ends on them as well, which allows us just to quickly unbolt them. These just go straight in and they're all made to just pop straight on. In actual fact, this is the male and female version. They'll actually pop in together, so they fit really well together, but that's not where they go. They actually go in the bypass housing. So all Volkswagen Amaroks have this bypass housing, and it allows us to turn around and fit that in. So where the hoses were, we just take one of the hoses off, we clip this in, this hose goes up to here using the hose we supply. This goes in the other side, where this fitting come off, it then goes into here. Allows us to complete the whole loop. And also the thermal bypass that we give you goes inside the same housing. So it's a very easy fit, and it's all in the same fitting instructions. The whole lot, it's all there. Even the hose that we give you, it's a heavy duty hose, it's a high pressure hose. It's well over what you need to run. We then put the hose inside a flexible conduit, so it's all protected from rubbing, you know, stone hits, rocks, the whole lot. You can actually see, if I pull it aside, there's the actual hose, you know, inside it. So we actually protect all the lines and that. So we actually go to great lengths. We've been making these cooler kits for a long, long time. We make them for most model utes, 200 series, Prado, 120, 150, you name it, we make them for them. So we got all of that. Now, not just do we have this kit, we now also have the Temp Gauge kit to go along with it. Now kit is made to cover most make and model utes and four-wheel drives and everything like that. And we actually have the direct bolt-in sender for this, which goes straight in the end of the same housing we were talking before. That's where our gauge goes in, just circlips in there, and it sends us the temperature. Best part about it, it's on the hotline, so it works very, very quickly. Comes as a complete kit with all your little auxiliary kit, your fuse, all the little, even your little zip ties to hold the wiring up and all that. The wiring is all high temperature, all right? So it's all silicon, so it works really, really well. You get your choice. It comes with the cup mount, and in a Volkswagen Amarok, it's actually got a really great spot in the center console. There's a little tray in there. It actually mounts in there beautifully. All that comes in, and it actually mounts down there, looking straight at you. Lights up when you turn the car on as well. And this one's a Celsius. We also have them in Fahrenheit as well, so they are available. We do have an option that if people want to take it out of the cup and put it into a pillar pod or any other reason, if they're available, this allows you to be able to mount them into a pillar pod. Once again, we have all the fitting instructions, 32 pages. There's 4 wires and there's 32 pages. This is what happens when your electronic engineers get hold of an instruction manual and turn it into theirs. Right? So it is incredibly detailed. This Temp Gauge Kit fitting instructions is actually for all the models, so it does mention all the different cooler unions, how to mount them up, everything like that. It also goes through and teaches you the different temperature range that you can have on your gauges. So, you know, basically what's good, what's bad, when you should pull over and all that. It has a troubleshooting. It also tells you, you know, on different models, which one's the hot line, which one's the cold line, and that's all made in these fitting instructions. Now, you can buy these kits separately. You might just want the temp gauge, and if you buy the temp gauge by itself, you get the same thermal bypass that comes with it, and the instructions tells you how to fit that thermal instructions in there. You can buy the cooler kit by itself, and the thermal bypass comes with that. Or online as well, we have them. We have all of them separated. You can also turn around and buy as a combo kit. You can buy the whole thing as a kit, which is more common to do. And when you do, you actually get a bit of a discount because we only need to put 1 thermal bypass in, not 2. So it's actually a little bit cheaper if you buy them as a combo. So, you know, if you have any questions, please let us know. They are available now. They are available online. This is what we're doing for them. They've been well tested. We've actually been testing these now for about, we started about, what, 5-6 months ago, and we put it in both the V6 and the 4-cylinder to make sure all the fitting was absolutely perfect, and it turns out it was the same. And it does all model Amaroks right up until current. So if you have an Amarok and you're interested, please, you know, jump online, www.askauto.com.au, and that's auto spelled O-R-T-O, or give us a call, 9762 8004. Don't forget the 03 if you're interstate. So if you're interested, jump online.